Hello everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over drawing with brushes in Photoshop. We'll be talking about changing brush properties and how to download new brushes. You've probably used the brush tool, but if not, it's the brush looking tool over on the left-hand side. It's pretty simple to use. Just click, hold, and drag your mouse around. Kind of like you're painting. The brush tool properties can be changed at the top. You can change the type of brush that you are using, its size, and the hardness of its edge. There's also the option to change the opacity, flow, and smoothing. Flow gives you the ability to gradually build up to the darkest color. You can overlap in the same area without lifting the mouse. It's similar to shading with a pencil. It is also similar to opacity. Opacity can have overlapping brush marks as well, but you have to lift up your mouse to increase the darkness of it. Opacity changes the visibility level of the brush. Smoothing reduces the choppiness of your brush strokes for a smoother look. The only problem is when you increase the smoothing, it also affects how fast your brush moves when using it. So just keep that in mind when you change that. And if you want to change the color of your brush, you can change that over in the left-hand side, those little squares down there. Now we're going to go over downloading new brushes. This is pretty easy. To download a new brush, you can simply look up Download Brushes for Photoshop. It will give you a bunch of different websites, but the process is going to be the same no matter which one you go to. You can go to a website, pick a brush, and then you can just click Download. Once it's downloaded, open it up and click on the file. It should automatically add it to Photoshop, but go check to make sure. That's everything for brushes. Thanks for watching.